Hi everyone, it's Winsome back with another origami video, and today we're going to be making an egg which is so random, but I guess, you know, April's coming up, it's almost Easter, well, at the time of filming this, anyway, so yeah, let's roll with this then. And it seemed like an interesting origami because I like origamis that can puff up and become, you know, a 3D model. So starting off with a square piece of origami paper like usual, we're going to first make a water bomb base. And how do you make a water bomb base, you may ask? First, we're going to fold diagonally both ways, so this way, and then fold diagonally the other way as well, and yeah, do that on the blank side, and then next you're going to flip over on the color side and fold in half, and you're going to fold in half both ways as well. And then afterwards, what you're going to do is kind of collapse the model. So if you bring two sides together, and then as you're doing that, it obviously folds a valley fold. And what you're going to do is, with fingers on the bottom at either side, you're just going to squash it down. So as you can see, as you do that, you form, yeah, this like pyramid shape thing. This pyramid, yeah, should be called pyramid base, but it's called a water bomb base. So yeah, that is the water bomb base. And then once you've done that, what you're going to do is fold the top half down to the bottom, like so. Just that to the bottom, and then unfold it. And then what you're going to do is to take one side and fold it up to the top here. Oops. And then you're going to take this corner of the one what you folded up, and you're gonna fold it to the crease you've just made here. So like so, you're gonna fold that corner to the crease, or just a bit higher actually. And then what you're going to do is take the tip that you folded up and insert. So if you open it up slightly, you're going to just insert the tip into there. Just push it in. So you might need to actually fold this up higher. That's what I'm thinking, why it won't entirely go down. So yeah, just like so, fold it higher up if you need to, and then retry putting it in again. Yeah, that works so much better that time. Yep, and then that should be fine if it's not too perfect. And then simply you're going to repeat the same on the other side, on this side, and all of the other corners, which yeah, I'll do right now. Cool. And then once you've done that, this is what you get. I'm just gonna zoom in more so you can see the model properly. And then what you're going to do is try and fold these corners. I can't even put them. into the center, like a tiny bit. So fold them in. This is so difficult because it's so so many layers now. That's so hard to fold. I'm just going to repeat that on the other side as best as possible. It's so hard to fold now. Cool. Yeah, just try and fold it as best you can, because this is pretty hard once you've got so many layers. And then the next step, what you're gonna do is, you can see a small hole here, and simply you're just gonna blow through that and hope that it inflates pretty much. So and ta-da! Like so, it actually inflated. It gets me so happy every time. Yeah, just seeing it actually inflate. Yep, I think that's as big as it'll go. So yeah, here's your little egg. Ooh, but it's quite small compared to everything on the screen. But yeah, so that was pretty fun making, I think, because I just really like making 3D models whenever there's an opportunity. So I don't know what you'll do with it. I don't know, like maybe put it in like one of those egg baskets during Easter as decoration. That'll be kind of cute, I think. I would recommend like using not like plasticky-ish paper like this, because it's so much harder to fold. Maybe some form of thinner origami paper, so you can fold the corners down properly and then blow it up, and it'll hopefully keep the corners down the shape. But yeah, like usual, write a comment down below what you thought of this video, like this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I post. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!